Welcome to my channel. Stop right there. This story can change your life today. At 18 years old, Ali felt lost inside his own world. He lived in a small town where no one cared about English. But Ali had a big dream in his heart. He wanted to speak English fluently and confidently. He wanted to become a speaker and inspire people online. But his reality was very painful and hard. Every time he tried to speak English, people laughed loudly. His friends made fun of his broken sentences. His classmates ignored him again and again. Even some teachers corrected him in a rude way. Slowly, Ali started losing his confidence and hope. His voice began shaking whenever he tried to speak. One day, he failed badly in an English speaking test. That moment broke his heart completely. He went home and sat alone in darkness. He whispered softly, "Maybe I am not made for this." His eyes filled with tears and pain. Suddenly, his younger sister came and sat beside him. She smiled and said, "You can do it. Just don't stop trying." Those simple words touched his heart deeply. That night, Ali opened his old notebook again. He wrote one small sentence, then another sentence slowly. His hands were shaking, but he continued writing. It was not perfect. It was not strong, but it was a beginning. And sometimes a small beginning can change everything forever in life. Chapter 2. The next morning felt heavy, but something inside Ali had changed a little. He woke up early and sat quietly with a new thought. He decided to practice English every single day without any excuse. He did not make a big plan or a difficult routine. He chose a small step first, just 10 minutes of practice every day. He started watching simple English videos online. He repeated each word slowly and carefully. His pronunciation was weak, and his grammar was not correct. But he did not stop himself anymore. One day, while searching online, he found a free English learning group. It was guided by a kind mentor named Sir Hamid. Ali felt nervous and scared to join that group. His heart was beating fast again and again. He almost closed the page and walked away. But something inside pushed him to try once. He joined the group quietly. On the first day, he could not speak even one full sentence. His voice broke, and his mind became blank. But Sir Hamid smiled and said, "Mistakes are your best teachers in life." Those words stayed in Ali's mind deeply. Every day, he practiced a little more. He spoke in short and simple sentences. He listened carefully to others. Slowly, he started improving. His sister supported him every day with a smile. Even one correct sentence felt like a big success. Ali was still weak, but now he was moving forward slowly and surely. Chapter 3. Days passed, and Ali's journey became more difficult than before. Life started testing him again and again in many ways. His father suddenly lost his job, and the house became full of stress. Money problems created tension in the family every day. Ali had to start a part-time job to help at home. He worked long hours and felt tired all the time. His energy became very low, and his mind felt heavy. Some days, he could not practice English at all. Guilt started growing inside his heart slowly. One evening, he looked at himself and felt very disappointed. He said, "I am failing again, just like before." That night, he joined the online class with Sir Hamid. His voice was weak and his eyes were tired. He said, "Sir, I think I cannot continue anymore." Sir Hamid listened carefully and said calmly, "Real dreams are tested in hard times, not easy days." Those words touched Ali deeply again. That night, Ali opened his notebook and started writing. He wrote about his pain and fear honestly. He wrote about his struggles and failures openly. His words were simple, but they were real and powerful. The next day, he shared his story in the group. He felt scared, but he still posted it. Something amazing happened. People supported him and related to his story. One comment said, "You inspired me today." Ali smiled after many days. That small moment gave him new strength and hope. Chapter 4. Time continued moving forward, but success was still far away from Ali. He decided to challenge himself and test his progress. He joined an online English speaking competition for the first time. He prepared day and night with full focus. He practiced in front of a mirror again and again. He recorded his voice and listened carefully. He corrected his mistakes slowly, but when the result came, he failed badly once again. His name was not on the list at all. His heart broke deeply, and he felt empty inside. Old doubts returned quickly into his mind. He started thinking, maybe people were right about me. That night, he did not talk to anyone. He sat quietly and stared at his notebook for a long time. Then his mother came and placed her hand on his shoulder. She said softly, "Losing once does not mean losing forever." Those words gave him a little courage again. The next morning, Sir Hamid sent him a message. Failure means you are trying, and trying means you are growing. Ali took a deep breath and stood up again. This time, he changed his mindset completely. He focused on learning instead of winning. He improved his vocabulary daily. He practiced real conversations with confidence. He listened more and spoke more. Slowly, his confidence started growing again. It was not fast, but it was real and strong. Chapter 5. 1 year later, Ali was not the same person anymore. His journey had changed him into someone stronger and braver. He still made mistakes, but now he was not afraid of them anymore. This time, he joined another English-speaking competition again. But his mindset was completely different now. He was calm, focused, and confident in himself. On the stage, his hands were shaking at first, but then he remembered his full journey clearly. He remembered his struggles, his failures, and his pain. He remembered his sister's words and his mentor's support. He took a deep breath and started speaking slowly. His sentences were simple, but they were clear and meaningful. His voice became steady, and his confidence started shining brightly. When the results were announced, Ali won second place. Not first place, but it meant everything to him. His eyes filled with tears of happiness and relief. His family celebrated proudly with him. Sir Hamid smiled and said, "This is only the beginning of your journey." Ali realized something very important that day. Winning was not the real success in life. Growth was the real victory. He had improved, changed, and never gave up. And that made all the difference in his life. Chapter 6. Now Ali stands stronger and more confident than ever before. He still practices English every single day with full dedication. He still learns new words and improves his skills slowly. But now, he also teaches others who are beginners like him. He shares his story to inspire people around the world. He tells them, start small, but never stop your journey. He remembers every painful moment from his past clearly, every failure, every fear, and every struggle. And now, he feels thankful for all those difficult moments because those struggles made him stronger and better. Now, this message is for you who are watching or reading. If you feel weak, start small today. If you feel afraid, speak anyway without fear. If people laugh at you, let them laugh freely. Your journey is yours, and your dream matters. Progress takes time, and growth needs patience. Success needs effort and strong belief. So do not wait for the perfect moment to start. Do not wait for confidence to come first. Start now with whatever you have. Practice every single day without stopping. Believe in yourself even when no one else believes in you. One day, your small steps will become a big success story, and your story will inspire others like you. So stand up now, take your first step, and never give up.